This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. 31st, 2018. So they're ready to call for a no heat. Kind of like a group home. I think he's got like 3 gas boilers over there down in the basement. 3 gas, I know that Burnham boilers, they're pilot ignition, so maybe the pilot's out. I don't know. Going over there now. So we'll try to get you some shot.
All going straight.
Me and Miss Molly are out working today. Get some work done. Try to get you some shots if I can. Put a cap on that. Let's see if it's calling. It's calling. Pilot must be out. So it lasted, what, 8 months? If that's what it is, I gotta put a cap on that. She's a leaker. That's spinning, just not firing. Yeah, pilot's out. Gas valve's probably starting to seen better days. I'll put a new thermocouple in it for now. I told the guy he's probably gonna need a new gas valve. We'll try a thermocouple one more time. If it goes out again, we're going with a gas valve. Let's see if it's loose. No, she's tight. I think I adjusted the pilot last time I was here, if I remember right. It's probably gonna need a new gas valve. Usually when a pilot's out like that, I'll change the thermocouple. Just for shits and giggles, mama. Oh yeah, just for shits and giggles. Yeah, it looks like it might be a little on the cook side there, see it? Maybe. Put a new one in there. Where's it get the 36-inch ones? Some of the ones I like. She looks like loose as a goose there, mama. She's loose as a goose. You want that to go in all the way, you know, if you can. It should go in all the way like that. Right? Stop, boom. Like a slot in there, you have to get it right in the slot for it to go. It's kind of a tight spot there. It goes, and then it plops in. We'll try another thermocouple. If it goes out again, he's going to need a new gas valve. We'll tell him. I know this guy good. He's working for him forever, so. I'll make sure this gets started properly. You don't want to cross-thread it. It's aluminum, right? I'll make sure that's in there right. We'll light the pilot and we'll check it, see what it's. Maybe I'll turn it down. I turned it up for a reason. Must have went out. Probably a bad gas valve, but the gas valve's getting questionable. Turn this to pilot and we'll light the pilot. Yeah, it's a good size. It's a good size pilot there. See if I release it, if it stays on there. Oh, it's staying on. You can see there's a pilot adjustment right in here. Take this out. Usually it's right in line with the pilot, where the pilot adjustment is. You could adjust the pilot down or up or whatever. So I'll turn it in. And they'll bring it down. See the difference? Okay. You can adjust it. That's a little bit more than I need. I don't want to cook it, you know. You don't want to have it too low where it's pilot's going out all the time. Well, something like that, I'm thinking is probably good. I got to get a cap out of the truck, stop that drip. We'll try that out. Probably gonna need a new gas valve. If it goes out again, you're gonna need a new gas valve. We'll try the thermocouple one more time. There's only one nut, don't matter which side you put it on, as long as it stays in there, holds that plate in there. I'm gonna need to get a cap for that drain. Alright, so when I turn this on, it should fire. There it goes. Houston, we have ignition. Get a cap for that. Just a hose cap with a washer in there, right? So I don't have to drain the system next time I drain it. If I do it, I will change that drain. It's a little tech tip, mama. Little tech tip. Make sure it comes back warm. We'll see what the pressure is on this thing. The feet is stuck. Oh, look like the feet is stuck. It's gonna take a little while to heat up. I mean, it's a... We got the door on. We got the cap on there, the washer. Just make sure it comes back nice and hot before I leave. It is New Year's, so. Alright, new thermocoupler. Hose cap on purge drain. And I'll let them know if it goes out again, I'm gonna need to go with another gas valve. Most likely that's what it's gonna need, but we'll let him know about it, see what he wants to do. It did last 8 months. Usually I like to put a couple of thermocouples in there. Yeah, guys, got another one right here ready to go. These things, that's how these things are. I mean, you're better off electronic spark. And just make sure it comes back warm and there's no leaks. We don't want any leaks. Once you cap this, sometimes this starts leaking. Just make sure the return comes back warm before I go, you know. It's always good thing you don't want to call back. Well, New Year's. It's a good sized building here. I mean, these things are gonna really struggle to keep up. Alright guys, he's starting to come back warm now. It's gonna take a while. It's what they call a cold start boiler. But she's starting to come back warm. I know the circulator's working. I put my ear to it, I can hear it spinning. Put your ear right to the circulator, you can hear it spinning. That's it, it'll be alright.